मेरे राम राय तू संतां का संत तेरे, मेरे राम राय तू संतां का संत तेरे।
जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। मेरे वीरो ਸਿੰਘੋ मैं बाद च अंग्रेजी च बोलांगा पर एक मिनट मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੁਖਾਤਬ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹਨਾ। ਦਸਤਾਰ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਭ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਜੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਰਿਪੀਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ। ਮੈਂ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਬੋਲਾਂਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਫਰਾਂਸ ਤੋਂ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫਰੈਂਚ ਤੇ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੱਲ ਘੱਟ ਤੋਂ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਸਮਝਣਗੇ ਕੁਛ ਨਾ ਕੁਛ, ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਂ ਬੋਲਾਂਗਾ। ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਕਰਨੀ। ਮੈਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਨੇ, ਮੁੱਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ, ਮਨਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਕੇ, ਉਹ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ, ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਦਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ। ਦੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਬਰਸੀ ਸੀ ਅੰਬਾਲਾ ਕੈਂਟ ਗੋਬਿੰਦਰ ਮਨਾਈ ਸੀ, ਬੱਚੇ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ, ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਦਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ ਬਾਰੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਾਬੂ 'ਚ ਲਿਖ ਵੀ ਰਿਹਾ। ਭਾਵ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਸਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ, ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ, ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਸਿੰਘਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਔਰ ਸਾਰੀ ਸੰਗਤ ਨੂੰ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜੀ ਆਇਆਂ। ਔਰ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਬੋਲਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ। ਮੇਰੀ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਇੰਨੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਮੈਂ ਕੋਈ ਪੜ੍ਹਿਆ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਂ, ਪਰ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਸਮਝਾ ਸਕਾਂ। Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I will welcome you and thank you for coming here and joining us. Now, today there are 4 topics of this conference. Since I am concerned with turban problem, so I will confine myself to the turban problem only. I won't talk about the 3 other things. Now, briefly speaking, Western world has not understood the importance and the sanctity, pavitrata, of the Sikh turban, in spite of its participation in the World War First and Second in restoring the democracy in Europe. They did not understand it, or they don't want to understand. They know it fully, what we are, who we are, what we have done for the France. You can go 200 kilometer, now chapel, La Chapelette. There are graves, memorial. Hundreds of Sikhs names are there on the walls, in the graves. They can't say we don't know Sikhs, we don't understand about their religion. They know it fully. Whatever being done is intentionally, as Jasbir Singh told, they are afraid of one more community who, as I should say, sorry to say, they are dead community, they did not fight the case. We are very less. Still, our Guru has given us so much courage, so much endurance that we can fight up to the last. Our skull can be removed, we can be cut into pieces, but we will not compromise on our religion. No Sikh has compromised in 500 years, and in the coming future we will never compromise. When it started in France, I have got all these documents with turban, 10 years. After 10 years, 202, they refused me. 2004, Man Sabar was refused, and I said, you can remove my neck, head, but this turban I cannot remove. This is a reward, it is a medal, it is a blessing of my Guru, I cannot part with it. I am sorry to say, throughout the world, only few people who supported us, in those 2 are not within us. One Kudrat Singh French Sikh, one advocate Rahi from Chandigarh. They contributed maximum, today they are not amongst us. After that, if anybody has contributed in this one, only Gurjal Singh financially, Akbal Singh Bhatti morally, and he was the person who arranged all the meetings with the Interior Minister, Finance Minister, Defense Minister, Justice Minister, Senate, Assembly. He was the first man to start. Financially it has been supported only by Gurjal Singh. Nobody in the world, no Indian government, no Indian institution, including Shomani Gurudwara Committee, Akal Takht, Punjab government, nobody helped us. Mr. Tarlochan Singh, who was the chairman of Committee Commission. He also lied in the parliament. I sent him the email, he never replied to me. Nothing he did, now he's boasting many things. Now I want to tell you, when we met all these people, Assembly, Senate, they said mutually we will consider, we will settle it. They are passing the time fooling us. We understood that game. We filed the case because within 2 months it has to be filed. We have filed it. Our brothers were here. They were stopping us not to file. They were being fooled them, but we did not fall in the trap. We continued our process. All the French courts did not give us justice. When there was a discussion about Man's case, our advocate wanted to keep himself. The judge, chief judge, lady said, sit down, I don't want to listen anything. This was the behavior of the French courts. They did not listen to our point of view. And unilaterally, they gave the decision against us. We approached UNRC. After Gurdial Singh, United Sikhs took BP Majinder Paul, Hardial Singh ji and his friends from America, they took our cases and spent a lot time and financially also. They helped us in this hard time and we won in 211, I think, or 211. We won the case, but it is incomplete. We have won, but the French government has not accepted, not honored and implemented till today. They are trying to deny, they are trying to delay it on one pretext or the other. I'm passing that time. And we don't hope that they will agree. Now I want to tell you, if this decision would have been taken against a small nation, small country, whole Europe, America, they would have compelled him to accept this decision. If they would have refused, they would have imposed economic sanctions, embargo, and blockade of that country. They would have compelled him because they have got the veto power. They are not afraid of anybody. Might is right. Jiski lati uski bhens. So they are trying to avoid and deny the justice to us, and we have no hope from France. We accept now Manjeet Singh ji, my AG is sitting here, Sirsa Sahib is sitting. We hope that Delhi committee may help us, may support us, but we do not have any hope from any institution. So we have all hopes around this one. Now, in the end, I would request all the French people who know English, or any journalist, anybody, for interfaith, my friend is sitting, I want to request them, please try to, now today, due to these policies, discriminatory policies, there are chaos all over the world. There are wars, conflict, disturbances due to discrimination. There are 3 words in France: liberté, égalité, fraternité. It is on the walls of the buildings. It is on the official papers. It is not in the hearts and minds of the people. I want to request the French people here, tell your government, either remove these words or implement 3 words in letter spirit. No need of keeping on the walls, gates, and papers. Remove it. You are engraving it. If you really follow these words given by the French Revolution 200 years back, try to implement and try to follow these 3 principles. This is my request to the local people, French people. Convey our sentiments, our pain to your government, your administration, so they should rise to the occasion. If you want to make this world a paradise, you have to love, respect each other, all religion, all community, ethnic groups. You are signatory to the Covenant of Civil and Political Rights of the UN. That same you are violating. If you are violating, don't think there will be peace in the world or France anywhere unless you, these 3 words, they are put into practice. There won't be war, there won't be riots, there will not be looting, nothing will be peace. You need not think of the unseen paradise. You can turn this world, this earth into paradise if you implement these words. This is my request to all of you, French people. Convey our feelings to your government administration. Thank you very much. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.